Hello, and welcome to our virtual Libby unboxing, the mostly nonfiction edition. We'll browse through the newly added titles from the LibbyApp.com page, but you can find the same content on your regular Libby app on your phone or tablet. We're highlighting 11 new nonfiction titles and one fun novel. I believe we have or will be getting all of these titles as physical books as well. So even if digital books aren't your thing, this should still be worth watching. We're starting on the home page and we will click where it says Just Added. Let's see what we find. The first one is Literary Theory for Robots: How Computers Learn to Write. This is by Dennis Yi Tenon. A Nasty Little War: The Western Intervention into the Russian Civil War by Anna Reed. The Thefts of the Mona Lisa by Noah Charney. Living just to find emotion. Journey and the Story of American Rock by David Hamilton Golland. This one looks great. Oodles and Oodles of Vegan Noodles, Soba, Ramen, Udon, and More by Shanice Kachami. Becoming Ella Fitzgerald by Judith Tick. The Buddhist and the Ethicist by Peter Singer. Okay, I think I might need to read this one. The Rental Person Who Does Nothing, a memoir by Shoji Morimoto. A Man of Two Faces by Viet Thanh Nguyen. Of Time and Turtles: Mending the World Shell by Shattered Shell by Cy Montgomery. The answer to the question we never actually ask ourselves: why we read. On Bookworms, Libraries, and Just One More Page Before Lights Out by Shannon Reed. And finally, our sneaky little novel, 14 Days, a collaborative novel. This This is a really fun concept. It's about the first 14 days of COVID-19 in New York, in one apartment building. There's several different characters, and each one of them is written by a different author. It just sounds kind of neat. It features Margaret Atwood and Douglas Preston. Thanks for joining me. Keep in mind, I filmed this a couple of weeks ago, so you will find even newer titles when you go into Libby's Just Added. Have a great day.